for this training, and it is very important we have this at the back of our mind. This is a business, and one of the major strengths of Amazon business, or let me not just say Amazon business, one of the major strengths of every business is continuity, right? Continuity. So if you start a business today and that business closed down today, that business doesn't have that continuity future. So when you're up doing the Amazon business, one of the most important things you need to think about is, how do I sustain this business? How do I sustain this business? Because you can just wake up one day and Amazon decide to terminate your account. It happens. I have lost my account before, and a lot of students have lost their account as well. So how do you get to sustain that, so that even if Amazon terminates your account, you don't end up losing everything? So how we accomplish this is by building email list. So the building of email list, the way it works is that when you are creating your book, especially um any book that you'll be listing it for free promotion, in the pages or on the pages of that book, let's say there is somewhere where you add bonus, right? There are sections where you add bonus. So those sections where you add bonus, let's say you are giving them a free diet plan, 28 days diet plan for Golo diet. So you are giving that one for free, right? So you can create a website or create a campaign around that, where before they get access to that bonus gift, they drop their email address. So automatically they subscribe to your mailing list. So when they subscribe to your mailing list, what will now happen is that whenever you drop another book or whenever you publish another book, you can reach out to these guys that have already given you their email address and said, you have published another book, so let them go check it out on Amazon and get it at a discount or whatever. So if, for instance, you publish one book, let's say Golo Diet for Beginners, and then you said, get access to your free 30 days Golo Diet plan, right? So before they get access to that free 30 days Golo Diet plan, you tell them to drop their email address so that you can send them the PDF version of the Golo Diet plan, the 30 days Golo Diet plan that you have designed. So as they drop their email address to receive that Golo Diet plan, you then automatically added to your email list. Now, if you do that and you're able to gather like 1,000 email subscribers, now these are 1,000 possible customers that you have gotten for yourself. Because anytime people go to the Amazon platform to make purchase for stuff, the Amazon automatically have their email address and their details on their database. But you, as an author, you don't have any of those information available to you. And because of that reason, when Amazon terminates your account, you are gone, because you have to go back and start from square one, right? Because the customers that bought your previous product, you don't have any relationship with them. You don't have any connection with them. So there is no way they can be your regular customers that you can keep reaching out to them whenever you publish new content. That is why it is very risky to do this business in a simple and in a less concerned way, right? So you build email list, gather informations of your customers, gather their data. Amazon fight against this very well. I understand that Amazon fight against this very well, but there are strategies that we do. There are strategies that we implement. So let me show us something about one of the book that I published. So let me search out for the book, Coin Value Guide. Coin Value Guide. Coin Value Book. Let me see whether my book will rank for this keyword. Coin Value Book. Where is mine? A lot of authors do this very stuff that I am about to share with us. But I like being practical. So I will show us exactly what I have done, and then in that way you will know that what I teach you, is the exact stuff that I do for myself, right? So yeah, so here's my work. Whoa, this book got a very bad review. What happened? Okay, I don't know why. All right, but let me open the, and this book have been selling massively, like no problem. So let me see. Let me go to the inside. Let me open the paperback. No wonder for like 2 weeks now the sales dropped. I don't know. These days you just see one competitors will just go and drop terrible reviews for your book, and then your book will start performing very bad. That's why most of the time people go to the extent of buying reviews, to cover up for competitive reviews that comes like this. Yeah, so it happens because you invest all your time to create something, and then one of your competitor can just go there and hit you with a bad review. So look at the way I structured this. Where I said download your bonus in page 2. So when you scroll down, this is the bonus, right? So I said your bonus, download your free coin collecting checklist and coin collecting for profit audiobook by scanning the QR code. So when customers scan this QR code, I already have this book uploaded to my Google Drive, right? So when they scan this QR code, they will be taken to the Google Drive where they will now download the free um gifts that I have available for them, right? But in another way that this thing can be done is that I can take this QR code, link it to an email list. So when they scan this QR code with the intention of downloading this stuff, they will be taken to a landing page where I will prompt them to drop an email address. So when they drop their email address, automatically they will be taken to another page where they can now download the free book. So when you do that, you gather like 1,000 email address. From that 1,000 email address, you will now have 1,000 potential customers that you can keep reaching out to and keep selling your product to them, right? Wow, this book stopped selling big time. 2 million means no wonder. The BSR for the paperback is just down. It's just down. Ah, well, these are some of the challenge. So let me see what the author said. The reviewer said, not coin price guide. Oh, wow. This book is not a price guide for coins. Okay, no problem. So let me check out other guys, what they have done. Let me open up these guys, see whether any of them have that strategy implemented on their work. So you don't control what people say concerning your work. So people have their rights, to make statement about your work and all of that. So you can't decide that. So for you to mitigate all of these unnecessary competitive statement or terrible reviews, you have to buy your own reviews. Buy your own reviews so that even though someone come and drop something terrible about your work, it won't have a drastic negative impact on your work. So these are things that people do, to mitigate all of that. And I haven't done that for that book yet. So probably I will do that later on also. Yeah. So that's that for that. So you do that, and then when they scan, they go to where you have provided them with access to your work, and then they get access to that work, and through that way you keep building relationship with them. So even the email address of the people that are downloading that book, I I am tracking them on my Google. You understand? On my Google Drive, I'm tracking them. So when I've gotten a sufficient number of them, I can start reaching out to them and upsell them with other products that I have. And if I have 1,000 of such kind of customers, even if it is 1% of them that stick to my product or that end up purchasing whatever stuff that I recommend to them, that 1% can make me some money, even in a situation whereby Amazon terminate my account or something of that nature. Yeah, so that is one of the advanced marketing strategy that you can implement for yourself. And you can also do this advanced marketing strategy using MailChimp. So if you go to MailChimp, um, you can create a free you can create a free account, where you do marketing automation and email marketing, right? So it's a simple process that you can implement. You can go to YouTube and watch videos on how to do email marketing, create a campaign using Namecheap. I don't want to do all of that in this video, but it's not a must to do this, right? But these are marketing strategies that if you can implement for your work, it will go a long way to impact how the business work for you, right? So another important thing is the affiliate marketing aspect. So how this work is that um you can decide to register, to be an affiliate marketer on the Amazon platform by joining the Amazon Associate program, or you can decide to do affiliate marketing for other related products. So if you are writing a book on Golo diets for beginners, you can go register on ClickBank and then get affiliate link for some weight loss program that is available on ClickBank. Embed your affiliate link on that book. So when customers get access to your book, you know, in a particular section of your book, you might recommend that that weight loss program that you have gotten from ClickBank to them. And if they make purchase and the ClickBank product says you earn 50% commission, if the product is for $100 and then customers buy that product at the rate of $100, ClickBank gives you 50%, which is $50. So aside just making profit from your book, you are making profit from that affiliate product that was embedded in your book. So customers bought your book, you make money. They bought the affiliate product that you are recommending to them, you earn commission. So these are different strategies that you can implement, to do advanced publishing and then make a lot of money for yourself. Personally, I've implemented this affiliate marketing for one book that I wrote last year, and the performance was a bit interesting. Yeah, so I just tried it out and I saw that it works. Yeah, so you can try it out for yourself and you know get it up for yourself as well. So that's that for this, and I'm happy that we have come to the conclusion of this training. It is my prayer that you experience massive success as far as the publishing business is concerned. Please, if you have any question, make sure you ask so that you get clarity, so that you don't have to struggle endlessly, you know, not getting result for yourself. So thank you for staying through this program, and I believe that God will see through your effort and bless the works of your hands. Yeah, so thank you and God bless you.